Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog po ay magmumukbang. Magmumukbang kami kasi dahil sumahod kami sa YouTube. So we have our shrimp, garlic butter shrimp, beef with beef bulgogi sauce, and itlog maalat. Tara, kain! So guys, hanggang dito na lang po nagtatapos ang aming video for today dahil hindi naman namin nakuha na ng video yung last namin yung mukbang. So bye! Thank you for watching!